Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Octoparse. Let's jump straight into our review and explore its features. Octoparse is a powerful web scraping software designed to simplify data extraction from any website. One of Octoparse's main advantages is that it requires no programming skills. Thanks to continuous improvements in its automatic recognition algorithms, Octoparse makes web scraping even more straightforward. Users can easily set up scraping tasks visually directly within the browser interface without writing code. Octoparse incorporates AI-powered data detection, guiding users step by step through each task. Additionally, the software enables automated round-the-clock data collection by scheduling cloud-based tasks. For convenience, it supports automatic data export and integration through OpenAPI. Octoparse offers an extensive set of tools including IP rotation, automatic captcha solving, proxy management, and support for dynamic website elements such as scrolling, drop-down menus, and Ajax-loaded content. Moreover, users have access to hundreds of ready-to-use templates for popular websites, making data extraction quick and easy. Now let's explore the subscription plans available. The free plan is ideal for small projects, offering 10 local tasks, export of up to 10,000 rows per extraction, a monthly limit of 50,000 rows, and unlimited page processing. The standard plan at $99 per month is suitable for smaller teams. It includes all free plan features plus over 500 ready-to-use templates, 100 cloud-based tasks, up to 6 simultaneous cloud processes, IP rotation, automatic captcha solving, image and file downloads, automatic export, an API for data transfer, and standard technical support. The professional plan, priced at $249 per month, is perfect for medium-sized projects. It includes 250 tasks, up to 20 concurrent cloud processes, cloud task monitoring, integrations with Google Sheets, Google Drive, Dropbox, and S3, automatic cloud backups, advanced API access, priority support, task review, and personalized training. The Enterprise plan is a custom solution designed for large companies needing high performance and premium support. It includes all professional features plus over 750 tasks, more than 40 simultaneous cloud processes, high-performance cloud service, increased capacity, team collaboration tools, and a dedicated success manager. Let's launch the browser and explore its interface closely. The main screen features a search bar, allowing quick access to target website URLs or ready-made scraping templates for sites like Amazon or eBay. Popular templates and educational resources are openly accessible, and a support button located at the bottom right corner provides quick access to tutorials or direct chat support from the Octoparse team. The side panel offers easy navigation to primary functions and settings. The New button enables users to create new tasks, import existing ones, or organize tasks into groups for streamlined project management and scalability. The task list displays all created projects, allowing users to edit, delete, rename, run, stop, or schedule tasks. The Templates section offers hundreds of pre-designed scraping templates for popular websites. The Tools tab includes specialized utilities, such as the Regex tool for creating, testing, and debugging regular expressions, and the Database Auto-Export feature, allowing seamless integration with your databases. Here's how to create a task. Click New, select Custom Task. Choose or create a group, enter the target page URL, and press the Save button. That's it. Detailed instructions for setting up proxies in Octoparse can be accessed via the on-screen annotation. Additional sections include pricing, RPA, and referral programs, as well as inbox, help, and settings, providing various configuration options. Based on today's review, Octoparse proves to be a versatile solution suitable for businesses and users of all skill levels. The platform enables quick data data collection setup, and efficient scraping management. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.